All right, my friends, as you can see, it's a fact. The rear end looks a lot better. As usual, the rear end always looks better than the front end. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another video. And look at that. Look at the hair. New me. Okay. So this is my 1993 Mitsubishi GT. So it's an SL, 3000 GT SL. So last year I got it painted, and then in the process, the big logo, the raised logo 3000 GT was removed and then broke off. The letters broke off. That was expected because this car is 28 years old last year, 2022. So I've been looking online for the raised 3000 GT logo. Those are small, but back here they were big. But I cannot find them. They only have the decal, and they're not raised. And they want almost $30. The vendors want almost $30 for them, and then $6 shipping. It's just a little piece of paper, $6 for shipping. So I wasn't interested. And luckily, last year I went to a junkyard and I found I got many parts, 3000 GT parts. So this was dirty and I fixed it up. Okay, I fixed it up, I cleaned it up. I had a video for this. Clean it up. So what we're going to do, I'm going to remove this one. This is plain. I'm going to remove it and then install this. Okay, it will look a lot better. There we go. And quick history. I started 1994 or 95, but for sure 95 all the way to 99. They stopped making this. Like this, you know, and then so they put the Mitsubishi name stenciled in the middle tailgate, rear tailgate. So we are going to replace it by this, and then it will look a lot better. You see, a lot better. Okay, so we are in the trunk, and okay, this is how it's done. You got this here. And remove the little cover, and that's just to access the bolts. There are 3 bolts, and then if you go on the other side, it's the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to unscrew these and then take them off. To make the job faster, I have this ratchet. Okay, it's and there we go, and then the socket, and that's a 12. Is this a 12? No, it's a 10. All right, so the screws are removed, and there's another one I removed inside here. Okay, so now I can easily remove this. When I said easily, with caution though, with caution, because this thing is 29 going on 30 years old. Okay, with caution. There we go. Looks like I got a little piece of plastic. Oh, I forgot to the light bulb. There we go. Old one, but it's still good. It's because there was no logo here. It's still good. Because I'm tired of people asking me, what kind of car is this? What kind of car is this? That's pretty beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, so everything's already been removed. You saw that. So right now I'm going to hook up the light switch and then put this back very nicely. All right, my friends, as you can see, it's a fact. The rear end looks a lot better. As usual, the rear end always looks better than the front end.